Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to join clips in Filmora application. To join clips in the Filmora application on your Android device, follow these few steps. First of all, open the Filmora application from your mobile device. Once you open up the application, click on the New Project button. This will now take you to your device's photo library, from where you will need to select the video clips you want to join. Select the video by tapping on them and then click on the Import button at the bottom right. You can select multiple video clips that you'd like to join into one. After tapping on Import, the video will now be previewed in the timeline. The selected clips will be added on the screen like this. You can drag and drop the clips in order to arrange their order. To add transitions between clips, tap on the pencil icon you will be able to see at the end of every clips. Go ahead and tap on the pencil icon and select a transition to apply them to your video. You can choose from the available transition effects on the screen. After you are done, tap on the play button and play your video. You can also apply this selected effect to all of the clips that is added on the timeline. Tap on Apply to all at the bottom. But if you prefer, you can also apply different transition effects for every other clips that you've joined in. Finally, after you are done, you can preview your video and then click on the Export button at the top right corner. Choose the desired resolution and format for the video and then tap on the Export button at the bottom. After the export is completed, you can save the video to the gallery or share it directly to social media platform. That's how you can easily join clips in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.